चन्द्रशेखरा.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode from Shabd series. My name is Mahi. I'll be reciting a short poem which is extremely close to my heart. So here it goes. It's your pain. Take your time to heal yourself in your own way. No one is bearing your pain. So you don't have to follow anyone else's regimes of self-care. You can take one day at a time. You can unwind all the pain and slowly analyze what should be forgotten and what stays as lessons. Take your time to breathe again. You're hurt right now and healing is a long process. So gather all your strength somehow. Hold on to yourself tight. It begins with some bumps. You will be lost for the first few days. Sick to your stomach in the forthcoming months. Your body will defy movements and your mind will be a wild jungle. But you have to be your own anchor and not give up the struggle. You can heal in whichever way you want to. Cry as much as you want. Let all the pain flow in tears. Sing the saddest songs aloud. You can shout or be silent. This is your pain. You choose how to vent it out. But most importantly, vent it all out. You will wake up one day feeling lighter than yesterday. You will see your smile for no specific reason to point. That day, give yourself a pat on your back. You have done something bigger than a Hercules task. You've learned how to fix your broken pieces. Your wounds are recovering with new skin. Look in the mirror and stare eye to eye. You are you, yet there is something new. So take your time to heal. You know the drill. Start it today or whenever you want. Only remember, healing can't be timed on a stopwatch. I hope you enjoyed this poem as much as I enjoyed reading it out to you. Do follow the channel for more such inspirational work. And if you like my work, do follow me on Instagram. Thank you.